Welcome back, Rankers. You're tuned into the Top Rank channel, your ultimate destination for everything crypto. If you're new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay ahead of the game. Number 1. Buying and holding. Let's dive right into the core of today's topic, the basics of making money with cryptocurrency. And where better to start than buying and holding? As simple as buying your favorite crypto and patiently watching it grow. Remember, folks, Rome wasn't built in a day. But do your due diligence, research each cryptocurrency before jumping in. Number 2. Trading. Now, if patience isn't your strong suit, we have trading. Day trading, swing trading, scalping. Different strokes for different folks. Just remember, while the highs are high, the lows can be even lower. Always set stop losses and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Number 3. Staking. Up next, we have staking, the high-tech version of earning interest in your savings account. Stake your coins, support the network, and earn rewards. Just ensure you're comfy with having your assets tied up for a bit. Staking in the context of cryptocurrencies refers to the process of actively participating in transaction validation, similar to mining, on a proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain. On these blockchains, anyone with a minimum required balance of a specific cryptocurrency can validate transactions and earn staking rewards. In contrast to proof-of-work (POW) blockchains like Bitcoin, where miners must use significant amounts of computational power to add new blocks, the POS consensus algorithm allows users to create and validate new blocks based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake for the network's security. Number 4. Mining. Number 4 on the list, mining, the OG of crypto earning methods. Not for everyone and can be hardware and energy intensive, but hey, there's something satisfying about minting your own crypto, right? Mining is a crucial process in the cryptocurrency world, particularly for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin that use a proof-of-work (POW) consensus mechanism. Here's a simplified explanation of how it works. Mining involves using computer hardware, mining rigs, to solve complex mathematical problems that validate each group of transactions, known as a block. The result of this problem-solving process is called a hash, which is a string of numbers and letters. Miners verify the legitimacy of transactions to prevent the double spending problem, ensuring that the same coins aren't spent twice. Once a problem is solved, the miner adds the group of transactions, block, to the blockchain. The first miner who solves the mathematical problem gets to add the new block to the blockchain and is rewarded with a number of new minted cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and transaction fees. This is how new Bitcoins are created, hence the term mining. Number 5. Yield farming and liquidity mining. On to the DeFi world with yield farming and liquidity mining. Providing liquidity to fuel transactions on the chain, and you get rewards. It's cutting edge, it's trendy, but it comes with its risks. Yield farming and liquidity. Mining are two concepts that have gained significant popularity within the world of decentralized finance, DeFi. Both practices involve users providing their crypto assets to a platform, and in return, earning rewards or interest. Yield farming. This is a practice in which cryptocurrency holders lock up or stake their assets into a DeFi protocol, often in the form of a liquidity pool, and in return, earn rewards. These rewards can be the protocol's native token, a stablecoin, or other types of tokens. The primary aim of yield farming is to maximize returns on the capital provided, and this is usually achieved by hopping between various protocols to chase the highest yield, hence the term yield farming. Liquidity mining. Liquidity mining is similar to yield farming, and sometimes these terms are used interchangeably. However, in liquidity mining, users provide liquidity to a protocol by depositing their tokens into a liquidity pool. In return, they earn a type of token that represents their share in the pool, known as a liquidity provider or LP token, as well as a reward token issued by the protocol. These reward tokens then can be staked again to earn more rewards, creating an opportunity for compound interest. Number 6. Accepting cryptocurrency as payment. If you're a business owner, why not start accepting crypto as payment? It's a bold move towards a decentralized economy. Plus, those Bitcoin tips may just end up being your golden goose. Number 7. Participating in ICOs/IEOs/IDOs. Now, participating in ICOs, IEOs, or IDOs can be a real ride. New tokens, potentially massive profits, but tread carefully, my friends. This terrain is known for its volatility. Number 8. Airdrops and forks. Free money, anyone? Airdrops and forks might just drop some tokens into your wallet. Stay alert, stay informed, and who knows, you might just catch an airdrop. Airdrops and forks are two significant events that occur within the cryptocurrency world, and they can provide opportunities for users to acquire new tokens. Let's delve into these terms. Airdrops. An airdrop is a marketing strategy used in the cryptocurrency industry, where tokens are distributed for free to holders of a particular blockchain currency, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Often, the purpose of an airdrop is to spread awareness of a new token or to reward loyal customers. To participate in an airdrop, you usually need to have a wallet that supports the airdrop, and you may need to perform certain tasks like signing up for a newsletter, posting on social media, or holding a specific cryptocurrency at a certain time. Forks. A fork in cryptocurrency happens when there's a significant change, upgrade, or disagreement in the protocol of a blockchain. Forks can be hard, meaning the new blockchain is incompatible with the old one, or soft, where the new blockchain is compatible with the old one. When a hard fork happens, holders of the tokens in the original blockchain typically receive tokens in the new blockchain as well, essentially creating a new cryptocurrency. A famous example is the creation of Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and later Bitcoin SV, BSV, from Bitcoin, BTC. Number 9, learning and education. Knowledge is power, folks. Make sure you're constantly learning and educating yourself about the crypto world. With new developments happening all the time, staying informed can really give you an edge. Cryptocurrency is a complex topic that involves understanding both technology and finance, so education is a crucial first step for anyone interested in getting involved in this space. Here are some ways to learn about cryptocurrency. Online courses. There are many online platforms offering courses on cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Books. There are several books written on the topic of cryptocurrencies. Some recommended ones include Mastering Bitcoin by Andreas M. Antonopoulos, The Age of Cryptocurrency by Paul Vigna and Michael J. Casey, and Crypto Assets, The Innovative Investor's Guide to Bitcoin and Beyond by Chris Berniski and Jack Tatar. Podcasts and YouTube channels. Podcasts and YouTube channels can be an excellent resource for staying up to date with the latest trends in the crypto world. Cryptocurrency news websites. Websites like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and CryptoSlate provide up-to-date news and articles about cryptocurrencies. Research papers and white papers. For a more technical understanding, consider reading research papers and white papers. Number 10. Diversification. Last but definitely not least, diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different types of crypto to mitigate risk. Diversification is a strategy that involves spreading investments across various financial instruments or sectors to reduce exposure to risk. In the context of cryptocurrencies, diversification means investing in a variety of different cryptocurrencies to minimize potential losses and improve the potential for returns. That wraps up our top 10 ways to make money with cryptocurrency. Remember, it's a brave new world out there, and while the crypto gold rush can be enticing, always do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Stay tuned, stay safe, and keep ranking up. Until next time, rankers. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and share it with your friends. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best in crypto. Until next time, this is Top Rank, signing off.